There's a breaking news coming in. Kolkata top cop DCP ranked official face MHA action over governor's complaint. MHA acts on Bengal governor's report, initiates disciplinary action against Kolkata commissioner. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs has initiated disciplinary action against the Kolkata commissioner and DCP for allegedly maligning the office of the West Bengal governor. The action has been taken against CP Vineet Goyal and DCP Central Indira Mukherjee after Governor C.V. Anand Bose submitted a report to the MHA alleging they were functioning in a manner which is completely unbecoming of a public servant. Speaking on the report, a government official said these IPS officers through their acts have not only tarnished the office of the governor but also functioned in a manner which is completely unbecoming of a public servant. They have conveniently chosen to ignore the conduct rules. Central government officials said that they are accused of maligning the office of the governor by promoting and spreading ads. It is worth mentioning here that Bose in his report to the ministry in the last week of June had said that Kolkata police was not allowing the post-poll violence victims to meet him despite him giving them the requisite permission. Sabyasachi joins us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, tell us more about this.
Well, the Union Home Ministry has initiated a disciplinary action against Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal and a DCP for allegedly maligning the office of the West Bengal governor by promoting and spreading canards, the central government official told. And the Union Ministry action comes after the governor C.V. Anand Bose had submitted a report to it regarding Goyal and Kolkata Police Deputy Commissioner Central Indrani Mukherjee, alleging that they were functioning in a manner which is completely unbecoming of a public servant. And the governor's report submitted to the Home Ministry in late June highlighted issues such as Kolkata police officers preventing victims of post-poll violence from meeting the governor despite his permission. And now the Union Home Ministry has initiated the disciplinary action against the IPS officers based on a detailed report by the governor of West Bengal. And the governor also accused other police officers posted at Raj Bhavan of promoting and encouraging concocted allegations by a woman employee during the month of April and May 2024. And the governor also said that these IPS officers through their acts have not only tarnished the office of the governor but also functioned in a manner which is completely unbecoming of a public servant.
And Sabyasachi, how is the government representatives responding to this action?
Well, as of now, the IPS officers against whom the disciplinary action has been initiated by the Home Ministry, they are yet to respond to this report. Meanwhile, some of the TMC leadership have come out and given their support to the Kolkata Commissioner as well as the Deputy Commissioner, stating that this particular action is being taken by the Home Ministry is because of a politically motivated move, and that is why they are condemning this such of action. The officers are yet to respond to this, but the TMC has come in support of the Kolkata Police Commissioner.
Thank you so much for joining us, Sabyasachi, on the broadcast. So action has been taken on this entire issue. Now we really have to see how the government is going to react, because be it Mamata Banerjee or other TMC leaders, they have always been accusing the central government of taking actions against the West Bengal government.